Hey, what's up? Thanks for checking out this video. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome and definitely feel free to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thanks for the love. Definitely feel free to like this video and share it. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. My family and I absolutely love the three combinations that I'm going to show you in this video. If you have the top open too long on the Ninja, it may possibly have to preheat again. So whenever I remove some food from it, I'll always close the lid, set the time, and then go ahead and get it going again. And then before I place any food in, I'll see if the display shows that it needs to be like preheated. If it does need to be preheated, you definitely want to hold off with placing your food in there because you don't want to dry it out. It's just like the same concept with an oven. You want to make sure that it's preheated before you go ahead and put your food in there. When I cooked each batch, for a total of 19 minutes. So the first time when I put the chicken in, I cooked it for 6 minutes on each side. And then when I flipped it again, I ended up cooking it for 2 minutes on each side. And then when I applied the sauce, I ended up cooking it for 1.5 minutes. And so that was 3 minutes total. And the reason why I do this is because you only have the grill plate on one side at a time when the food is cooking. So in my opinion, it just allows the chicken to be like beautifully brown and it's super moist. So this is just a personal preference for me. This is what works for me. And as always, thanks for watching and can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.